Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video walking you through the activities for our web-based interactions this week in lieu of our face-to-face meetings. And first thing you're going to want to do is get to my webpage, dr2pi.wikispaces.com. From there, class information, and then 535. And you'll notice this link, lesson wiki. You'll just click that link. It takes you to a new page, which has a bit of a new look to it. And you'll notice that here in the body of the page we've got a section for you to find your name. I've sort of already made this template and filled in your names. And what you're going to do is you're going to find your name and then you are going to edit that part of the page. And if you notice, I'm asking for a couple of things here. Regarding the unit that you've been working on, we'll find the basic skill addressed, the broader unit that we talked about in class, so the basic skill, broader unit, and then here in the middle, try to address some of those characteristics that we talked about in class that make a lesson maybe really good. Something that's perplexing to the student, creates ownership, it's intellectually stimulating, and it shows relevance or that it's necessary. And then there is a space for comments. So once you find your name and you edit, you know what you're going to put in there and you want to edit. Notice that when I hover my mouse over the text here that there is a downward facing arrow that pops up. So I'll click that link and I will click edit. And once you click edit, then you notice that now it becomes like a text editor, an editable text editor. So you can just type in whatever you want there, and then when you're done, go ahead and click Save. The permissions for this web page should be set so that anyone can access it. If you're having trouble doing that, please email me and I'll try to change it. But I did set up the permissions for this web page so that anyone could access and edit the page. So really quick, just look at the template that I filled in with student name, basic skill addressed, proportions. I know that we've talked about this one at length, but I kind of go back to the same example so that I don't throw too many different ones at you. The broader unit, you can read that. I just sort of explain what it's useful for. And then I just list what I think is perplexing about it, if it creates any ownership. And, you know, like here, I'm just sort of honest about whether or not I think it'll be intellectually stimulating. I know I think it'll be stimulating, but I'm the math geek, so this could be the hardest part. Is, you know, who else really cares about the height of a Diet Coke and Mentos Geyser? Will it just appeal to their intuition because they're teenagers and they want to see soda explode? I don't know. And then here are a couple of example comments that is kind of what I'm going for. You know, tell them that, hey, I think this unit's good or it's all right, and then provide some constructive feedback. And maybe give a suggestion for them. And once you're done, again, click Save, and you should be good to go with this section of the page and with Activity 1. So again, if you have any comments, please let me know.